Hey guys, it's Peggy Dean. This is a fun video for me to make because I don't know if you guys know this about me, but I love bags. And I just discovered a Swedish backpack brand, Gaston Luga, and I just received my backpack, so I'm going to do an unboxing video with you guys so that we can discover it together. Because nothing is more fun than sharing. Also, I'm sitting in an empty room and this makes it seem like I am opening presents with people because that's fun. Even if it's a present for myself. You get it. Never mind. Okay, first of all, I want to point out that it comes with a dust cover. There's just something about packages that come with dust covers that make me like them even more. It's the little things, right? So I got the Classy in black. I have a lot of bags that are very colorful and loud. And brown, also because I love brown. I wanted something that was really minimal and black and looked really nice. So I think that this is so pretty and just classy. It really lives up to its name. So it has the Gaston Luga logo in gold, which is super pretty, a gold plaque. And then it has this vegan leather flap. That's a big, huge yes from me. Very excited about that. And then it's got this drawstring, so keeps things nice and secure. Open that up. And on the inside, it's this really pretty, like dark burgundy-ish color. We've got this inside pocket that's quite large, if you can see that. Here, I'll hold it this way. So yeah, inside pocket, and then the main area. So lots of space in here, which I'm excited about because I was wondering how my iPad would fit, and it's gonna fit beautifully. That's one of the reasons that I like backpacks is my back hates purses. So I like to opt for backpacks, but I didn't want something huge and I wanted something super cute. The other thing that I like about this brand is that all of their backpacks come with, I travel all the time, and it makes it really convenient because right on the back here, it comes with a little passport pocket and any other essentials. So you can just slip it right in there and it's protected on your back so nobody can pickpocket you. You never know where you're gonna end up, right? Anyway, so it's canvas and then vegan leather, and it's super gorgeous and I'm really excited. So thank you for letting me do this video. What I will say too, if you're interested in these, they have a bunch of different styles, and for my audience in particular, if you order with the promo code Pigeon Letters, you'll get 15% off your order plus free international shipping anywhere. So that is something I wanted to offer you guys. So get one because they're awesome. Makes me want to go somewhere. Makes me want to leave the house. All right, until next time.